Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to lesson one from the series. Today, inshallah, we are going to start with the very first group of Arabic letters. First, we have about 28 alphabets or 28 Arabic letters. We will learn today in today's lesson, inshallah, we will only learn four letters, which they are Alif, Ba, Ta, and Tha. I will write each letter. I'm going to share a screen, inshallah, explain all the sounds, and you will repeat after me. First, screen in a second and show you the letters with me. There, that's the first letter of the alphabet, which is Alif. As you see in there, okay? This is Alif. Alif itself has no sound. It only carries a vowel or a hamza on top or below it. So for now, just remember the shape of this letter, the first letter, which is Alif. It's a straight vertical line. Now this is Ba. Look at the shape of this letter. It has one dot, only one dot below the letter, under the letter. Repeat after me, please. Ba, ba. And I want to let you know just the letters, they have names. We have names and we have sounds. Sometimes I believe you might hear before B, boo, ba, or a, e, u. Yes, that's right. But just for now, we study now the names of the letters. Later, inshallah, when we finish the letters, when you know all the letters, inshallah, we're going to give you the sounds, inshallah. So for now, it's just letter ba. Place of articulation. Where does al ba come from? How to make my tongue or my lips to pronounce the letter ba. The sound that comes from the lips closing gently. Close your lips, ba, ba. When you close your lips together, join your lips gently, the ba comes in there. Pushing ear, try to push ear, so ba, al ba comes from. Okay, at the screen now in there, you see three different forms of letter ba. You might ask how all these three different letters they are letter ba. So in Arabic or during the word, we write ba in different ways. That's how al ba comes at the beginning of a word. Okay, at the beginning of the word, if al ba comes at the first letter of the word, al ba looks like that. And there in the middle, and that's exactly how al-ba looks like when it comes in the middle or between two letters. There is a letter in there and there is a letter in there. So al-ba, we write al-ba like that. The first one, al-ba has no letters before. And the number three, al-ba comes at the end of the word. So you see now it's not connected with any letters after. It's only connected from the right side. So it has a letter before, and this form, the form number three, al-ba comes at the end of the word. Very good. Now we'll move to the third letter, which is letter ta. This is ta. A ta, as you see, it has two dots above the letter, two dots over the letter on the top of the letter. Al-ba, we remember al-ba has only one dot below the letter. Now a ta, I remember. So if you forget the name of a ta, so you see two dots. Two, it's ta. Okay, the same beginning. Two, I connect them together. Two dots, so it makes ta. Ta letter. Repeat. Ta, ta, ta. The place of articulation. How to pronounce a ta clearly. The tip of your tongue touches the area just behind the upper front teeth. Okay, repeat after me again, please. Ta, ta, ta. Now we'll see a ta in different places. A ta at the beginning of the word. You see, when you see that, okay, it's a very long there, so you know 100% there is nothing before. And a ta comes at the beginning. There is no lines or no teeth, okay, no heads. So a ta has a letter before and a letter after. There, a ta there, it has the head at the top at the end. So a ta comes at the end. No worries if you do not understand these forms, these shapes. We're going to study them inshallah later with examples. But just I want to know that a ta has different forms, different shapes. Okay. So a ta there comes at the end of the word. It has only one letter connected from the right side. And also it might come in that way. Close the ta. circle, تاء مربوطة, and that's تاء. You remember always all of them has two dots at the top. Okay, two dots at the top makes تاء. And letter number three. Letter number three, you tell me how many dots in there? You see, at the top, this is tha. Okay, tha. Tha. You see, it's very, very important to pronounce a tha clearly. Your tongue, the tip of your tongue goes between the teeth, touches the upper teeth. Okay, and a tha has three dots and three. Our tongue goes between the teeth in saying three while pronouncing three, and it's tha. Okay. Until now, you might think all of them are confusing or no. So it's inshallah they have difference. Remember, al-ba has one dot below the letter. At-ta, the same form, but two dots at the top from ta. Okay, two dots. Okay, at the top. A the same form, but three dots at the top. Okay, now it almost looks like ba, but only the difference, the three dots. Okay, it's the same. Al-ba and at-ta comes like that, but only the difference is the three dots. Also, al-ba and at-ta comes at that form, but only the difference is the three dots. So please repeat after me. Ba, alif, first alif, the straight line, alif, then ba, ta, and tha. Okay, these were the first four letters of the Arabic alphabets. And thus was our first lesson from Al-Futuhat al-Rabbaniyya. In the next lesson, inshallah, we will learn a Jim, Ha, and Kha, inshallah. If you found this helpful, do not forget to follow the series and practice these four letters before the next video, inshallah. See you in the coming video, inshallah.